Hi guys! So today marks the second week since my first chemotherapy. And nag-start na malagas ang hair ko. What can we do? If you are not yet planning to shave your hair, kung matutulog kayo, pwede niyong i-cover yung pillow ng dark colored sheet para kahit maglaga siya, hindi niyo kita if that makes you feel better. Second, para hindi siya nakakalat sa floor, pwede kayo magsuot ng bonnet o kaya ng hairnet or any head cover na makakapag-prevent na magkalat siya sa floor. And today, mag-unbox tayo ng wig. And I'll try it later. Sophie, come on!
Sophia, come in.
This is
The
panda.
towel's here. The towel's
Panda. Panda. Can I open it now?
Sure, open it.
This looks like a baby towel for the baby.
No, towel like Bowie's hair.
What else is inside here?
No, I before.
No, this is for the wig.
That's for the wig.
I don't see.
What else is it? I'm gonna open one.
Can you open it?
Then I open.
Yes, I can. Oh my gosh.
Wow. What the smell?
Sophie, what are you doing? Wow!
Can I put this on?
Yeah, on your head.
Okay, this is so.
Oh,
Is it hard?
what's this?
I am up. I don't know. This is so hard. One more box to open.
I can't see open like this. Whoa, what's this?
Can you make it bigger? Whoa, the wig is so cool. The wig. May I try it on?
Yeah, you can try it.
I want to
Wow.
try. I want to try this. Whoa, a pink one. I love pink.
Milk is so here.
Oh my gosh.
You don't.
Papa, look at yourself. Can you help me? Whoa, this is so cool.
Okay.
Is this a standard for the wig?
No, it's a stand for the wig.
Alright.
Oh, give me some mask here.
Mama, the pink
The
one is
wig-
so
The
cool.
one. That was not just.
So today is exactly 2 weeks after my first chemotherapy and I started losing my hair. See? So each time I comb my hair or stroke like this, ganyan kadami yung nalalagas. Kaya binili ko tong wig na to and I'm going to try this today for the very first time. Gusto ko kasi pixie lang pero gusto ko din bumili ng medyo long.